So you wanna play a single animation directly on a mesh. That's play animation. It's a simple way to trigger one-off animation. No state machine, no montage, just play this anim right now. It's actually very great for prototyping. Now to get this node, just right click and type in play animation. And as you can see on the screen, the target is skeleton mesh. So it always come with a mesh connected to it. Now this is how you get this node. For now, let's just remove both of these because we have example prepared. As you can see on the screen, we have key 1 and key 2. You can just type key 1 and key 2 and you will get this both of these debug key if you are trying to experiment and learn how it is actually done. Now I have connected the play animation to both of them and the target is as obviously mesh. And then for new animation, for first one I have chosen the jog forward, and for the second one I have decided to use this BSMM walk run. Let's just see what it is. And this is how simple this node setting up is. So for now, let's just compile the code and see it in action. Now as soon as I press begin play, you can see after pressing 1 it changed the animation. After pressing 2 it again changed the animation. So whenever I press 1 or 2 it will keep changing the animation, but it won't loop. So after the animation it will stop like this. You can see it's getting paused. So let's just change that too. So now we are in the event graph and you can see we take the both looping. Now it won't stop playing this animation. It won't go back to the original anim graph, but it will keep looping these two animation whenever we press 1 or 2. Now as you can see we press 2 or maybe 1 and it is playing this animation. It will keep playing this animation and it will won't stop until unless we change the animation itself, and it won't go back to the anim graph. And this is the biggest reason why this is for prototyping. But now you might be thinking, other than prototyping, where we can use it. So it is used for NPC gestures, interact animation, or prototyping moves. If you need something quick without setting up a full animation BP, this is the node. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.